Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Iron Wake. Iron Wake is a crucial neutral syndicate located on Earth, offering access to advanced content. To begin, you must first complete a specific quest line that introduces you to its purpose and leadership. This initial step is essential for gaining entry and understanding its role in the game. To gain access to Iron Wake, your primary requirement is completing the main quest, the War Within. This pivotal quest not only advances the game's story, but also unlocks several key features. Without finishing the War Within, you cannot proceed to interact with Iron Wake or its associated content, making it a non-negotiable step. Once the War Within is complete, Iron Wake becomes your gateway to two significant endgame challenges, arbitrations and the Steel Path. Arbitrations are endless missions with unique modifiers, while the Steel Path offers a harder version of the entire star chart. Engaging with these modes through Iron Wake provides exclusive rewards and a true test of your Warframe skills. The benefits of engaging with Iron Wake are substantial. From arbitrations, you can earn Vitus Essence, used for powerful mods and upgrades. The Steel Path rewards Steel Essence, which can be exchanged for unique cosmetics, Umbra Forma, and Riven Slivers. These resources are vital for enhancing your Warframe and arsenal, making Iron Wake a valuable hub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.